Hi, sir. Good evening.
Hello,
What is your name?
my name is Simon Jr. I'm the father of Simon, your student earlier.
Hi, Sir Simon. Let, let me introduce myself first. My name is Roy Brunyola, 32 years old, a computer technology graduate, last 2012. I work as a IT teacher before, so I have experience for handling students.
Okay.
So now, I'm going to present to you the output of our lesson earlier. We got to know the tools and the learn new concept. The student learned the following concept: the cursor, the pixel, the editor, and to log in the password and to log in the username in the platform. And they learn to open the platform, navigate, and complete the task. Now they know how to use the training and professional pixel graphic editors. They save the files picture from the pixel art editor. The platform contains instruction for all digital instruments. There are special tasks on the platform marked as a guidebook where each child can find link to the instruction on tools how we used during the lesson. They are marked with a special icon. So let look like this one. They will need to knowledge and skill to use the reference rulers to position and form in the text during the presentation. So this presentation or this skill is on module 4 to 5. We need this skill, knowledge, and skills and explore the spreadsheet and editor and navigate the addressing of cells, module 6 of the course. We need this knowledge and skills to talk about the size and the quality of the picture found on the internet and used in the paperwork. Working with the graphic editors is studied in the module 2 of this course. We will explore doing the raster and the vector editors. We will master the tools that use neutral network to the align to the drawing. There are 7 main modules and 1 additional module in the course. We have basic training, creation of digital drawing, the online communication, online searching, and making a presentation for oral presentation, tabular presentation of data, and visual presentation of data, and the final project module. Each module has 4 lessons. So there are 3 theoretical and practical lessons to gain new knowledge and master new skills, and 1 project allowing the student to demonstrate what they want to learn. This order to module is not an accident. Their modules are arranged to provide the skill needed to understand new topics. Number 1 is the basic training. Number 2, the creation of digital drawing. Number 3 is online communication. Number 4 is online searching. Number 5 is making presentation for oral presentation. Number 6 is tabular presentation of data. Number 7 is a visual representation of information. Number 8 is final project module. The main objective of this course is to teach the children to work with the information in various forms: the textual, the graphic, and the tabular. Also to teach them to consciously use the digital tools to achieve their goals, including for successful stories. Here is an example of how two students created a slide. Mostly, uh, you did not even realize the text on the second slide to the end. And after the reading the first slide, you immediately remembered an interest fact. But at the same time, usually the slides are designed the same. Both students use the same text and familiar with the presentation editor, but the one student has the necessary skill to analyze the text and the second does not. So these are the examples of adapted to the school needed. For the example in Module 6, we consider solving math problem in the table editor. A student not only to learn how to work with the tables editor, but only working on one the most difficult skill to learn in primary school. That is shorthand of mathematical problem. So the student learn how to compute by using this application, what we call the Excel application, the spreadsheet. We use the Google Cloud services to teach how to create a text, spreadsheet documents, and the presentation. Google Cloud Services contain the function similar to the program from Microsoft Office. Any Google document or presentation can be saved in a Docs or PPTX format and then open in Word or the PowerPoint. It's also work the other way around. We upload the Word documents to Google Drive. You can open and edit it in the corresponding service. To access Google Cloud Services, you will need to create your child Google account. So this is very important. You need to create a Google account for your child. Google account for child can be used not only to work with cloud services, but also an effective means of monitoring a child via Google Families, a webinar or the creation of Google account and Google Family services will be held. So now you can ask a question.
Oh, me?
Yes, sir. You can ask a question if you have any.
Yeah, I just noticed earlier that, you know, uh, sometimes when you speak English, your words are, you know, scrambled. And I just wanted to let you know that my child can also speak Filipino, so I think it's better if if you're having a hard time speaking in English to speak in Filipino.
Yeah, yes, sir. So, but for now, sir, the requirements of this demonstration, algorithmic tutor told me that I need to speak in English. But in actual demonstration or in class, sometimes it's okay to use Tagalog or English.
Okay. All right. Yeah, because I think it's better
Yes.
to be bilingual, wherein
Yeah.
it is easier for you to speak and
Yeah.
easier for my son to understand. You
Yeah.
know,
Mhm.
my
Yes.
son, speaks good English because we speak English in our house. But
Yeah.
I
Yeah. Yeah.
want him to learn Filipino or Tagalog as well. So that's why it's
It's
okay.
it's okay. Mhm.
Yeah, I don't want you to feel that speaking English is the only way to do it. I want you
Yes.
to I want to make sure that you can also speak as much as possible in Filipino, so it's
Yes.
easier for you and so that my son can understand it as well. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
well, the activity earlier was actually okay. I like it. I think it age appropriate, and you mentioned about the different steps, the different process why it has to be done a certain way,
Mhm.
from 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 7 and 8
Mhm.
modules, and I think it's okay. And I like the introductory lesson that you presented. Yeah, my son really likes to be able to learn to play Minecraft so he can play with his brother. But
Mhm.
I think it's better to do it one step at a time.
Yes, it's okay, sir. It's
Yeah.
better.
Yes. Okay. Well, I don't have any more questions actually. Uh, yeah, that's it. I don't have any more questions.
Thank you, sir, thank you for your time.
Okay, well, thank you, Teacher Roy, and I'll hope to be talking to you every now and then to update me
Yes.
on my son's progress.
Yes,
You're
sir.
you're gonna give me you're gonna give me feedback from time to time, right?
Yes. Every end of the class.
Okay, all right, that's perfect. That's good. That's good. All right, well, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
All right, I'll see you around.
See ya.